Hi, I'm Sheil from Unite Canada. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Microsoft account, a very important part of using a Windows computer. This will allow you to use software such as Skype and the Office 365 suite. Before we begin, what you will need is your email and your password. If you don't know your email, please watch the video attached. The first step is to go to the bottom left of your computer screen and press that little Windows icon. Now you want to go to your keyboard and type in Edge. When you see this icon, double click on that to open it. It'll bring you to the main screen of Microsoft Edge, which is where you can search the internet. Next, you want to go to this top bar up here and type in Microsoft account sign up and go ahead and click enter. So scroll down for a bit and you'll see this create account prompt right there. I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now it'll prompt you to create your account. So I'm going to go ahead and assume you know your email and your password. If not, go ahead and watch our creating an email video, which I'll attach right here. So when I'm creating my account, I'm going to go ahead and type in my Gmail. So ours is Unite Canada Official at gmail.com. And of course, if you have any further questions, you can contact us at that email right there. You're going to go ahead and click next. Now it'll ask you to create a password. So I'm going to make mine Skype 1 2 3 4 5. Obviously pick whatever password you want. I'm using a pretty easy to crack one. Please use something a little bit more personal and advanced, but just for the sake of this video, I'm going to hit next, and then it's going to ask me for my name. So I'm just going to put Unite Canada and put in your own name there and press next. Then it'll ask you for your birth date. You go 3 January and 7th. And then it's going to ask me to verify my email. So in order to do this, I want to open up a new tab by pressing that plus button in there. And I'm back to the home page here. And up here, I'm going to type in Gmail because my email is a Google email. So I'm going to go ahead and click this search result up here, mail.google.com. And I should see some of my Google accounts here, but I want that same email that I created my Microsoft account with. So I'm going to hit use another account and type in that same email. And then I'm going to type in our password, which is your email password. Oops. There we go. And now it's going to load up the email here. And then right at the top, I have Microsoft account, verify my email address. So now see this code right here, 5776. I'm going to remember that number and type that in right here. And it's up to you if you want to get some informative emails from Microsoft. You can go ahead and check this box. I don't want any, so I'm going to hit next. And then it's going to ask me to fill out something called a CAPTCHA. All this make sure is that you're not a robot. So I'm going to go ahead and type in what I see there. So D3 G4 D. Make sure you're careful with the your uppercases and lowercase letters. And next line N M W X P. Sometimes these can be a little confusing, like that P at the end. Not sure if it's a capital or lowercase. I'm going to say it's a lowercase. And I'm going to hit next. Hopefully it goes through. most times you should not have too much trouble with those. So now it'll take me to the profile page of my Microsoft account, and I've successfully created my Microsoft account. So what this page really does is show you all the options that you have with your Microsoft account. I urge you to go ahead and explore the different options, but as a whole, it's all pretty straightforward. So at this point, all you really need is your Microsoft account login and password, and this will allow you to do a lot of things on your Windows computer. It'll allow you to log into Skype, use the Office 365 suite, and even play certain games like Minecraft. So this concludes the video. Please contact us at the information on the screen if you have any more questions, and check out more of our videos at unitecanada.org. Thank you.